Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. This is just for anybody who owns a Nissan or anything that's Kia or Hyundai. They're not designed to run over 100,000 miles without major issues, especially the 2006s and above. This vehicle right now has 249,000 miles. This is equivalent to a 90-year-old person. They can walk and do whatever they're going to do, but they're going to fall a lot and you're going to spend a lot of money. It is best to just trade it in while the car is actually running. I'm losing money by saying this, but people for profit, and I care about people, and I'm just trying to give you guys the facts. No Hyundai, Kia, or Nissan is going to offer you a warranty over 50, 60,000 miles anymore. It doesn't exist anymore. With that being said, just go ahead and trade it in, or you're going to have a lot of issues like this person is having, consistent issues, one after another. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you are a mobile mechanic, go straight to my store, which will be in this video when it comes out. If you like this video and you have some kind of anything out of it, hit that super thanks button, hit that join button. You can see the videos before anybody else. Thank you.